Does MRT ensures the success of a particular property? Not really, because a lot of people don't want to admit this, but there are a lot of examples in the market that is attached in a TOD format but has no success. We have one around station. That one is like a auction fiesta. Until now, it's still being cleared again in the market. That's why personally, throughout my investment, I buy in locations or in projects where it's already successful without LRT and MRT. Because knowing myself as a user, I am fortunate enough to not depend on LRT as my mode of transportation.
Even from a tenant's point of view, even though it's temporary.
Good point. So it matters a lot to tenants if you are coming from Pahang after school or you come from Ipoh after your graduation, right? In a place where you don't have to have a car first, then it makes sense. But if you already have a car, yeah, I would prefer better car park allocation. I would prefer locations that are closer to highways, closer to my office and etc. Yeah, I don't know, maybe speaking from my own personal point of view. Once I can afford, I will buy a car first one.
Malaysian mindset.
Malaysian, we love cars.